everyone, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone's doing wonderful today. I am going to be doing a flip and drag on a 10 by 10 canvas. I've already laid down my base coat, which is the Artist Loft Flow Black, one part Floetrol, and 1 part water. And the colors I'm going to be using today is going to be the Soho Manganese Blue, the Soho Prussian Blue, the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Copper, and Soho Dioxizine Violet. It's going to be interesting to see. I'm wondering if I chose too dark of colors to pop through the black. Whoops, got a little something. Here we go. So we're going to find out. I'm going to start off with the Soho Manganese Blue. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to spray my little medicine cup with the WD-40 silicone to help release the paint. And make sure do not spray that over your canvas. You do not want silicone on the black. And going with the less is more, I'm going to actually try to use less than I normally do. And because the last video I did, it turned out really good. I liked how the composition was in the negative space, so hopefully we'll get the same with this one. And all of my colors do have silicone in them. Alright, now like I said, I'm using less paint. It's about half the paint that I usually use on a 7 by 14. And we'll see how it comes out. Do a little design so it sort of mingles with each other. And I'm going to be doing it diagonally like that. So, aiming for the middle. Yay, didn't lose no paint. And I'm sort of in the middle. Go ahead and poke my holes. And get it to start gliding. And I'm going to go to that end and then come back to this end. A little bit. Sort of quiet because I'm trying to focus on not doing what I just did, losing all my paint. And it disappeared. Let's see, maybe I can tilt and some colors will come out. Usually I would have just scraped it, but I'm going to try and see. Sorry for the sharp angle. I'm wanting to, here we go. Maybe that'll make it easier to see. It's bringing some colors out. Sort of did like a Boilermaker. Some of the colors went underneath. Bring it back before that goes over the edge. Keep going, let's see what happens. Gotten this far. Let me give it a torch. See if maybe something will come up underneath the black. Let's try going a little bit more this way. Bring it to the corner and then pull back. Let's get the paint back to center. Let's see if it opens anything up going now side to side. Okay, let's bring it back. Well, let's wait. We got a little divot there. There we go. Now let's try to bring it back. I think it's starting to look neat. A lot less paint, definitely. Trying to get more color down here in this bottom corner now that I've stretched that part out on the top part up here. Just wanted to see if there's something. Looks like there's turquoise trying to come up there. Let's give it a torch again. Try to coax, because that turquoise is trying to come up down here, right here. So maybe if I stretch it some, it'll come out. I'm sorry, I hope y'all are in frame. That's turning out neat up there. Those are popping up. Well, okay, one more torch. I'm gonna try. I'm actually starting to like that composition, even though it was a boo-boo. It looks like it's turning into a happy little mistake. Let's see if we can get a little bit more down here. Because that black's going to eat up the paint. It's like a black hole. It just absorbs it. So you have to go out further than you normally would with a white background. Is that an air bubble or is that smudge? Oh, something in there. Alright, was able to get it out. Alright, time for the airbrush. I'm going to try to push some of this out. I'm going to try to save it, but I need to push it out some because I don't want that black coming back and absorbing it. And we might be lucky and some of the colors under the black might show up some more. Let me turn that around. I'm liking it. All right, let's see what we can get on this side. I'm trying to be really gentle because I really don't want it going everywhere because, like I said, that black will eat the color. So I'm trying to really just draw more of the color out of the center. There we go. I think that's looking pretty cool, actually. Wow. Well, now the colors were definitely not too dark to pop up, but we will definitely see when it dries. Yeah, I think I like that. Well, thank y'all for joining me on this new experiment. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do hit that like and subscribe button for me and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified next time I put up my video. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and happy pouring. Bye-bye.